Okay. So first thing, so this is the folder, right? So this is can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the folder. It is shared in all the systems, right? So if you open this folders, you will have all the tools, whatever the tools it's needed. No, so all the tools it will be there in the folder. The folder name is Cyber Security Lab Tool. It is shared in all the systems. I think I'll say this lab name. So you will have all the tools here, right? So after getting the question paper, for an example, if you get the question part A is this one. Steps to ensure that ensure the security of any one browser. It may be a Mozilla or Firefox, but here we are going to execute with that Firefox, right? Then you have to open the Firefox. So you have to go to the settings. So here the version is different, okay? So here you have to go to that privacy protections, and in that you have to go to the manage settings. So according to this version, it will be changed now. And here you have to go to the general tab. In the general tab, the first thing is you have to enable that files. So already it will be like this. So always ask you where to save the files. So this one you have to enable because here you are going to provide the security measure. This is the first step for to ensure the security of the system, right? So whatever whenever the file is automatically downloading to a system, any unwanted files can also be entered into a system. So that you have to enable that. Ask always ask where to save the files, this one. And next one, you have to go to the privacy settings. In the privacy settings you are having a different options. The first one is don't track. If you enable the tracking option, means anyone can able to access your system and they can able to get what are the things you have done for the past 15 days, and what are the items you have purchased, and what for that what you OTP you have received, and what that account number you have given, everything it can be able to track. So you have to enable always don't track. And next one is login and password. In the login and password you have to always disable that ask save login and password. For an example, if you're opening our Gmail means so sometimes it will be asked for the automatic password. If you enable this one, it once it is access for this means it will be automatically it will access the password. So it is not required because anyone can use our system. So we have to disable this option. So already it will be in enable state. You have to disable it. And next one, you have to make the history to not never remember the history, right? This is the next security option we can able to enable in the system. And in the next one is, yeah. So here I think the version changes, no? So here you have to always enable that. It should be an uncertified website. We have to enable it, right? And anything is there in the first exercise. These are some of the security okay, right? So these are the different settings you have to change it for that Firefox, right? So for this you have to write the aim and what is the procedures, and what are the setting changes you are going to perform in it. So this is a part A, right? Any doubt in this one?
No, mom.
Okay. Next one. So the next one is gathering the information using window command line utilities. So this is the questions. I think in that updated manual you will have two lines questions, right? Um, so the thing is, you are going to use gather some information by using the command line. So after getting these questions, you have to open the command prompt. In that command prompt, first you have to type this command. Ping yahoo.com. So you are going to call that yahoo.com, whether the yahoo.com is alive and what is the IP for that. And what is the how much packet we can able to send and how much packet we can able to receive, like that you will get some informations. Okay. Right, so we are getting the information about the yahoo.com, and now we are going to check the packet, what is the largest packet size in which we can able to transmit transfer from our system. So this is 1500 is the largest packet size in which we can able to transfer from one system to another, or one email id to another. So this is the largest packet size. So whether if we try this one, we will have some loss because our bandwidth cannot able to support with this. So here we are going to find out our college bandwidth packet size. So I'm going to try with some 1400. So while trying 1500, I'm getting some 4 packet loss, right? So I'm going to try with some 1400 size. So while using the 1400 size, there is no packet loss. Can you see here? There is no loss. And again, I'm going to try this with 450. Packet size is 450. And here also there is no packet loss. And again, I'm going to try with 475. So okay, there is a packet loss. So the largest packet size of our college is between the 450 to 475. Now I'm going to try with some 460. So 460 also there is no packet loss. And I'm going to try with some 470. So it is between 450 and 470 now. So on 1470 also there is no packet loss. And I'm going to try with 75. 475. Okay, 475 loss is there. So the largest packet size is in between 470 to 75. I'm going to try with 473. Okay. So there is a loss in 473, size 473, and I'm going to try with 472. Okay. So for our bandwidth, the largest packet size is 1472. So this is the information you are getting it from the command line. Okay. So only two commands you have to remember. One is a ping yahoo and a ping yahoo.com -f-n, that packet size. The one thing is you have to remember is the highest packet size is 1500. After that you can reduce it and you can find out our packet size. I think you can remember this value 1472. I have tried in my laptop, no, by like executing the lab exercise. On the time it shows some 1332. Right, when I'm in my hometown, I have tried. So that time the packet sizes lies between 132, and in college it is about 147, 1047, 42, 1472. Right, like this you have to find out the largest packet size. Is any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And next one is the theory part. Okay. And next one is the MBSA tool. In the MBSA tool, you have already told you know that one folder will be there. So you have to go inside the folders, and then you have to install that MBSA. So it started like this. You have to install. Okay, here in this MBSA, we are going to find out the what are the different vulnerabilities present in the system. It may be some vulnerability, it will be very weak, and some it may be strong. But the main usage of this MBSA is it is used to find out the all the vulnerabilities present in the system, and also it is used to give the description about the vulnerabilities, whether it is a weak or strong. If it is a weak, means we have to concentrate on the weak vulnerabilities and we have to recover it. Otherwise, that hackers or the attackers, they will take the weak vulnerability as an advantage, and from with the help of that they can able to intrude in our system. So this is the concept of NBSA. And here you have to start the scan, and if it is able to get the IP address, means you can start. So I'm going to do it in the single system only. Okay, I've started. It will take some time. Okay, I'll leave it over. So I've started it. It will take some time. Within that, we'll discuss one more exercise. So like this, I have installed, and then I have started a single system scan and scan multiple computers. But I have started with the single scan. For the single scan, there is no need of IP address. You can directly start with the start scanning, and the process will be go like this. And after that, you will get the result like this. So this is about the vulnerabilities present in the systems, and that red color, no, that we have to concentrate immediately, and we have to provide some solutions. Otherwise, it will be taken as an one of the advantage to enter to make that attackers they can easily enter into other system, right? And here is an option in which we can able to sort it out whether it is in high priority or low priority, or it is in first or like that we can able to sort it out. Okay, it's running. Okay, any doubt in this exercise?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And is next about the password capturing. This is the theory part. No problem. You will write. And this one, no, I told you I'll execute, and otherwise I'll send you one video. The video is not clear. Now I'll execute the program. For this password cracking, first thing is we have to create one Excel sheet. Okay, like this you can create some Excel sheet with any data. Just I have created one Excel sheet with USN and mark, and this is okay. Already have protected. I'll delete this one. I'll create a new one. Some CSC. USN marks. Sorry. Okay. So you can create any Excel sheet. So here I have given some data. Okay, this is my data in which I'm going to protect it with password that no students cannot able to change my document. So it is now it is easy, right? So anyone can change the data. For this, I'm going to protect my document. So for this, you have to go to the review tab, and you have to click the protect sheet, and you have to give the password. So just I'm giving 1 2 3 4, and I'm going to enable all the options, right? So these are the different options in which no one should edit, no one should delete, no one should insert, no one should change. Like this you are having different option. Now you have to enable all the options, and you have to click OK. And again it will ask for re-entry of password. Again you have to give the password. Just I have given 1 2 3 4, and I'm clicking OK. Now the sheet is protected with password. If anyone is trying to change the data, it will show. If just I'm going to try to change one data. So the person who's 4 USN 4 has got some 34 mark. That person is trying to change his mark as in 64. So already it is protected with password, no? So it is displaying that it is protected with password. Like that it is displaying that hackers. So just I'm giving some sample data only. You can give some confidential information, anything, right? So the thing now, uh, from our side it is over. Now there's a process of hacker side, right? The hackers, what they will do now, so they will right click the document, they will try to save as with some other name, control copy, and I'm going to save it as in some folder is there. Okay, I'll create a new folder. Here I'll save it. Okay, so I'm going to save this as in one folder, that is cyber security lab folder itself. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to right click, select, right click, open with WinWare. Right, so in this folder, in this application, I'm trying to open my document, and after this I have to go to the Excel. In this I have to open the worksheet. So there are three sheets where there no, but I have protected the sheet 1 with some password, and I have not done anything in the sheet 2 and sheet 3. So I'm going to concentrate on sheet 1, and here also I have to give right click and view file. So in that file, view file, you will have that XML code of the particular sheet. So here I'm going to copy the code, Control A, and I'm pressing Control C, and then I'm going to put it in Notepad. Okay, I'm going to put it in the notepad, Control V. Okay, I have pasted here. Here I'm going to delete that entire tab of the protection, right? So the main thing is I have protected my sheet. No, here I'm going to delete that entire data about that protection. Okay, it is here. No, so the tab is starting from here, and from here I'm going to delete it. So till that end tab, I have to delete that entire data protection. So till here, right? So till here I have to delete it. Yes, I have deleted. Now I'm going to save this file as file name save as. Where is my that one? What is it? Excel file. It is in CSE's cybersecurity lab tools. No, there itself I'm going to save this as an SHEET sheet 1 dot XML. With the same name I'm going to save here. Okay, I have saved, and I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one. Everything I've closed. Now I'm in this page. No, I'm going to delete this one, right? I'm going to delete. Yeah, it is deleted, and that new file I have created no in this folder, just I'm going to Control X, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now it is pasted. Now I'm closing that document. Now I'm going to try open that Excel file. Now it is an editable format, right? So this is an editable format, and then we have to try. This is a copy, and this is the original thing, no? So this is the original document in which the changes which I have made there, no, it is all automatically affected the original document. Yes, can you understand this one? Yes, one second,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
okay, you want to repeat it again? Okay, I'll repeat. First, you have to create one Excel file with any data, any confidential data or mark sheet, anything you can create, and then you have to save it. By before saving, you have to protect the document. For this, you have to go to the review tab, and you have to click the protect sheet. You have to give the password, and you have to enable all the tabs, and you have to click OK, and it will ask to re-enter the password. And in that also, you have to re-enter the password and close it, everything. And same, the folder should be copied and pasted in any folder or anywhere you can paste it. And then you have to open, right click, open with WinWare, like this. Some in some system it will not be there, so you have to search with and choose another app. In that, you have to go inside and you have to choose that WinWare. In that, you have to open here, and you have to go inside that Excel, and then you have to go inside the worksheet. In that sheet 1, you have to right click and view files. You have to copy this one, and you have to paste it in the notepad will be here, right? You search it here, notepad will be there. Here you have to paste it. After pasting here, you have to delete that entire protection tab, right? And you have to save with that file name as sheet1.xml. Then you have to go here, and you have to delete this sheet1.xml, and then you have to paste that newly edited file to here and close it. if you try to open that new document, that is editable in, it will be in editable format, right? So but before that it is protected with password, no, it is not able to edit, but after this one it is easily in editable format, right? This is easy, right? The one thing is you have to remember all the steps. Shall I move to the next one? This is easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who's answering? So anyone, it is okay, or again you have to, you need to explain me.
No, ma'am, you understood. You can move to the next one.
Okay, so next one is
Ma'am, you had that scanning one in the process, right? I guess that's done.
which one?
Uh, the one you were teaching before this, like 2B, 2B was still not done.
Okay, that was okay. It is over. So this is this output screenshot, right? So what are the different vulnerabilities? This is an administrative vulnerabilities, additional system informations, like that. It will show about the systems, and this is the major thing we have to concentrate, and we have to correct it, right? So any doubt in this? Just you need to install that BMS MBSA tool, and then you have to install, and then just start scanning, right?
So it will tell us what all the things we need to work on right now, and we'll
uh,
have to do those things
any
manually.
update is needed means some incomplete update is there, so we have to go inside it, and we have to update it immediately. So this is about that some. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this one is a theory part, and this one is a quick stick go tool. So for this also you have to go, so I'll delete this because it is shared. Okay, so for the quick stick go tool you have to install this one, right? So you have to open it. Okay, it is here. So for this we need one image file. Download some image. Some image in desktop itself I'm saying. Okay, so we have to open the quick stick go tool, and first we have to open the image. So in the quick stick go tool we are going to hide our text information like account number or any hid secret image we are going to hide behind the image. For this we have to open the image first. So where is the image? It is in desktop. Okay, so this is the image in which I'm going to hide one information. So my account number, transfer. Okay, something. So this is the a secret information I'm going to hide here. Okay, and this is the one way in which I can able to directly give my secret data here. Otherwise I can create one text file. So for this also you have to go to the notepad, and I'm creating one text file like this, and I'm going to save it in the desktop itself, right? Like SS. I'm going to save it in desktop. Okay. So here open text file. Where is the text file? So this is the SS which I have created. So this is the text file. I'm going to hide it. right? So now the image is hidden with the text file, and now I'm trying to open that image. So I'm unable to see what is that information which is hidden behind that image, but there is a hidden image, hidden data is behind the image. And in that receiver side also, they have to use the same quick stick go tool, right? Oh my god. Receiver side also, they have to use the same quick stick go tool, and here we are going to get our hidden data. For this I have to, sorry, okay, so sorry, so I have to save the image, I have not saved, right? So first I'm going to open the image, it is in the desktop, and I'm going to I'm going to hide one image that is present in the text file. And after this I'm going to hide text. After hiding text I'm going to save the image, the image, new image, it is named as some cc I'm giving. Okay, and that also I'm going to store it in desktop. Okay, the new image is saved here. There is a new image cc, it is here. So this image we have to send it to the receiver side. So I'm trying to open both the image. This is the image which is the original image, and this is the image where I have hide some data, that is cc, right? So on seeing this, we are not able to find out the hidden information. So in the receiver side also they have to use the same tool. And after uploading that new image, what is that, the cc, right? So this is the cc I'm going to upload here, that which that hidden text we can able to see by the quick stick go tool, right? And this one we can able to save it by some secret. This one also we can able to save it as a separate text file, right? This is about the quick stick go tool. And you just remember what is meant by steganography, what is meant by cryptography. If you got this exercise, surely you will get a what is steganography, like that questions, right? Any doubt in quick stick go? Any doubts? Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is cyber security tools, no? Just you try to remember some 10 tools, right? 10 is enough, not more than 10 is needed. You just remember some 10 tools, and in which platform it will be used, and what is it, versions, and what is the usage. You just try to remember all these four things. And so this is about the comparative tool. You want to execute this one? Okay. So for this also you have to go inside. First you have to take this folder, and you have to execute that compare it. So for compare it, you have to install it, additional desktop, and you have to install it. Okay. Yeah, tool is here. For this we need some two text file. One is a source file and one is called as an some target file. I'll copy this itself, right? I'm going to create one text file which name is ss, right? Already some data is there. Okay, no problem. I'm going to create, I have created one text file and I've saved. And I'm going to consider this sc or as an another text file. So like this, you create some big paragraph, right? For a sample, I'm creating this one, but in the examination, you just try to create some two big paragraphs. I'm going to save this. Okay, so I'm created two text files. One is SS and one is SCR. So these are the two different text files. So after that, I'm going to open that compare it. So after opening the compare it, it will ask for the first file. What is the first file? So all the file it is in desktop, right? And text file. So the first text is SS, and it is for the selected the pair second text. This is SCR. So this is the two text file in which the first two lines of the two text file is same, right? And then after that, this is different, right? So it is mainly used to compare that, and the third line is same, right? So it is mainly used to compare with the two different files. So this is mainly used for the investigation purpose, right? So any doubt in that? For this, you have to create some two text file and you have to upload and you have to write the screenshot. Any doubt in that? Compare it. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is called as an HTTP track. So this is somewhat some a lengthy process. So I'll delete this one. Okay. For the HTTP track, I have to install the HTTP track tool. So I'm going to install it. Next, accept. Then I'm installing. Finished. Okay. So okay. So before entering into this, we have to create one folder. Okay, I'm going to create the folder here itself. So file, right click, new folder. I'm just giving the Ananda Sagar College of Engineering. Okay, like this, any folder you can choose, right? So like this, I'm taking one folder. So here I'm going to start with HTTP track. I'm going to click first. I'm going to give some project like download project category 23 like that. Here I'm going to give the path for the download. So some website we are going to download, no, the content should be saved in one folder. That folder I'm giving the path. So what is the path? In the cyber security lab, I have created one folder that is Anand Sagar. Okay, have given path and then I'm going to click next. In that I'm going to download the website. So already download website is there, no problem. And here I'm going to add the URL. So the URL, which URL? This only we have tried, no? So the same website I'm going to give here. So Control A, copy, and here I'm going to give the same website, and then I'm going to set options. So in scan rule, download all that images, JPEG, all kinds of images and zip file, everything you just download. I'm giving OK now, and I'm giving next, and I'm going to start it. Right. So once it is started, so the same website is needed means your wish you can take any kinds of website, but you have to see some changes there. So this started now. You can minimize it and you can close this one. Okay, I've closed down. Okay. Okay. So this one we have downloaded. No, right? Okay, minimize this one and we'll go to our folder. So where we have created in the cyber security 2 labs we have created. So this is our folder. You just go inside and downloads. In downloads, what we have download in Dayananda Sagar EDU. Right, you go inside it and you can see that different folders where there no about admission, contact, DSI, images, whatever the things is there. Now you can compare here. We'll minimize this one. Now you can see this. What are the different tabs we are having now? Everything is there in about DSI. Okay, vision, mission, DSI glance, leadership is there. So if we go inside also, everything is there. Right. So here what we are going to do is now I'm going to right click it and open with a notepad. Right. I'm trying to open this with a notepad. Okay. And here we can see what are the information is there in about only we have entered no. So about, so I'll go to the leadership. So, so we are having some information about our chairman, vice chairman, and the secretary, right? So like this, we'll go to the leadership, right? Open with, and I'm going to notepad. So here also, it is informations about what are the like. Mm, okay, so here I'm going to trying to change that data. Like I'm going to host one data as a Jaya Kumar and again I'm going to change here some data, any data you can change, but as a sample, right? And also here I'm going to change the name, some any data you can change, just I'm going to give some data, so, and I'm going to save this, save, right? So if you try to open this, so everything whatever the content present in that website no, everything it will be same, but the changes which we have made it no, it will be also enabled in this website. And that hackers no, they will download, for an example just we have tried with our because we should not try with that other website, so so only we have tried trying with our college website. So we are trying to download, and if the download have matched, and they will give, they will get some request, right? They will get some permission hackings. So for that only we are using our website. So if you try to download some Flipkart, and if you try to do some changes like Flipkart, you try to change that name as in some dot cart or anything, and you can host a new website. So this is the content about the HTTP track. So first you have to install, you have to create one folder. After that you have to enter into the tool, and in the tool you have to give the path first, and then you have to enter, already it is there. So you have to give the path name, and then you have to give the URL. After getting the URL, you have to start the scan mirroring process. While the mirroring process starts, you can go into our folder, and in the folder we can see the lot of document, what are the content present in that website, everything will be there, and you try to edit some pages, right? It is about the HTTP track. And in the when we are coming for the output verification, right, you have to show that 2 folders. So like this you have to show the output. So here in the leadership we have made some changes, right? So this page also you have to show, and what is the original page. So this 2 things you have to show as an output, right? So can you understand this one? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the next one is about the snow tool. The snow tool, already I told you, no, that we have to, two folders will be there, right? So in the cyber security, two folders will be there. Both the folders you have to extract. So extract as a snow, and this also I'm going to extract as a snow 32. So right in snow 32, that exe file will be there. You have to copy it. Control X, I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to paste it in the snow. Okay, right? So here I'm going to create one sample file. For an example, there is no text file. Huh? Okay, no problem. So in the same folder, in the same, now it is not needed, you can delete it. Right, in the snow folder, I'm going to create one file, new text file. I'm going to create text file dot sample. The name is sample dot txt. Already it is a text file, so it is not needed. So in the sample, I'm going to give some information like ACC number, some numbers I'm giving, and then I've saved here. Okay, and now this is the first process. You have to extract the two folders, and in that folder you have to copy the exe file and you have to paste it in this folder. This is the source folder, and in the source folder exe file will not be there, so you have to copy and you have to paste it. Now close it, right, and open the command prompt. Okay, so we have to open the command prompt, and in command prompt, so where is the folder? So I think it is saved here, right? Okay, I'll cut it and I paste in the desktop itself, right? So you have to go to the command prompt. This is not needed. You can, here you have to give, you have to enter into the folder, right? CD DOS desktop, and you have to give enter. Now we are in desktop again. CD dot SNOW, snow. This is a snow folder. Now we have entered into the snow folder. Again one folder is there, no? So again we are going to enter into that CD. Okay, again I have entered into that folder. Now I'm in this area, right? So here I'm, where is it, command prompt? Close down. Okay. Okay, now here I'm trying to open that sample file, sample.txt, right? So it is there, right? So it is opening. Now the sample.txt is present in this folder. There is no problem. And then you have to type the command. So this is the command in which I'm going to right. So this is the command in which for the sample text, in the text file, we are going to hide one text file. So this is that sample text which I have created there in that folder. Here, I'm going to hide one information. What is the information means? My account number is 1234567. Any information, so you can change the information. So I'm going to give okay, so Kirti account number something I have given, and then for this one I'm going to give one password, that is password 123. That also we can change like a pass. Okay, this is the password 123, and after that I'm going to create a new text file, that is text.txt, right? Okay, so now that new text file is created. Now I'm trying to open that text file, text.txt. Okay, it will not be opened because it is protected with some password, right? Now, so So this file, no, this file which contain the information, like some information is there, but it is that hidden information. What is the hidden information? Kirti account number is the hidden information. It will not be visible here. So we can send this one, this text file, to the receiver side. So the receiver side, what they will use now, they will use one more command. So with the help of the text file, they will use this command, right? To open the text file, we need the command. So the password we have changed, you know, the pass 123 we have given as a password. So here we have to change it. Pass 123, right? I think now you can get it. That this is a hidden information behind the text file, right? The Kirti account number. This is one is we have hidden here, but while seeing that text file, it is not visible. This is a sample. Here also that the Kirti account number is not here, and this is a text file. Here also the Kirti account number is not here. But after using this command, after using this password only, we can able to reveal that what is the hidden data, right? Any doubt? So any doubt in this? Any doubt in this exercise program?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is the theory part. And the next one is the buffer overflow. You can run this command program, right? And this is the theory part. And this is the what is that? Steps for hiding and extracting the text file behind an image file. Okay. So for this exercise, there is a no tool, right? For this, you have to create one image file. So again, I have to download one image flower. This one I'll download. A simple name I'm giving. So in desktop itself, I'm saving. Okay. So one image file is there, and in the image file, I'm going to hide one text file. For this, I need one text file. So I'm creating one text file. Right click, new text document. So I'm giving some b.txt. Sorry, already it is a text file that is not needed. So here I'm going to type the information that KTAC number 1234. Transfer 5C. Like this, I'm going to create give one information, secret informations, and I'm going to save in this file. Okay, and for this I have to use that command prompt. So first one, I have created one text file. This is my text file. Here I have named as an b.text, and I have to create one image file, and here it is named as a b, but in my system I have named as an a. And then I have to open the command prompt. So I have to open the command prompt. So new command prompt, and here I have to enter into the desktop. Both the files are in desktop, right? Both the files are on desktop, so I'm opening. Now I'm trying to open that a.jpg. It is there, and again I'm trying to open that b.txt text file. Both the files are here, and then I'm going to give this command. So I tried to open that now. So both the things are there, and so I have to remember this command that's needed. Okay, so I have changed that file name now. So here I have created a.jpg and b.text I have created. Okay, and I'm going to create one new file with the name was some personal dot some pr.jpg, like that. I'm going to create one image file. Okay, I have entered. So when the data is copied and the new file is created, the new file name is PER, right? So this is the new file that is created, and to this receiver side, we can send this document. So while seeing that image file, that hidden data will not be displayed, so that we can able to send that information to that receiver side. So, so to know what is the hidden data, we have to open the two document in Notepad. So first one, I'm going to open the A and I'm going to right click here, open with Notepad. Okay, first I'm opening that A dot Notepad, and then I'm going to open that PR dot in Notepad. So this is the file, and this is the original file, and here that some data is hidden here. So if we searched in that Notepad document, we can, yeah, can you see here? So keep the account number, this one, and transfer 50C. So it is present in that PR document. So if again I'm going to the A document, this is original document, and here also I'm searching for any that hidden data. It will not be there, right? So for the sender side, we have, for the receiver side, the hackers, they will send this one. They have hidden that account number in that image file. Any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I think I have executed all the programs. Okay. So I told you, no, it will be present at the bottom. In some images, it will be present at the center, right? So any doubt in the cybersecurity lab? Any doubts?